Hi, this is Daniel from B500 Systems. Today we're gonna do batch questions, extracting information from multiple documents in a single go. So for that we need question templates. We need to create a question. So that's the questions that were created. 10 questions about Tauron financial reports, Q3, quarter 3 reports. We have those 10 questions here. So you can create the template, ask questions, you can add more, shift the questions the way you want. So let's get started. So let me navigate to the chat where we have our files, our reports. Let's go to Q3. So we're gonna select 3 reports. So this is 23, this is 2016. All of them, they are from quarter 3 financial reports, 17. I think that's enough. Here we're gonna set up, we're gonna pick up the template, the question template that we have. So let's do that and start questioning. So, okay. So the system is kind of analyzing, reading, comprehending, understanding the documents that we selected, and it's going through the questions answers. So that might take about a few minutes. Here it's kind of it shows 52 minutes, but kind of once you get better and better kind of understanding the volume of the informations, then kind of that kind of goes down. At this stage you can leave it and then kind of come back to the history and you will have all the information extracted. So that's what is happening. Those documents are about 65, 70 pages each, roughly speaking. So kind of so we have the information here. You can click anywhere, kind of to see how the answers are there, what answers are there, how it's answering. The good thing is that kind of if it doesn't find the answer, it will tell you kind of I couldn't find the relevant context or couldn't provide you with the answer. So it will not try to hallucinate or fabricate information. That's how it works. If something like this happens, we would suggest to rephrase the question or kind of expand the questions or be much more precise with the questions. Okay, so from 60 minutes we are down to 12 minutes or 8 minutes now. So it's going kind of pretty fast. I think we get asked how quickly does it work or AI work on the files. Usually I think it's about 1 second per question, so kind of rough estimate. So we have answers to all the documents. We can see more if we want to dig deeper into the document. We can download the full report for all the 3 files. Oh, here we have the message kind of you can close that or you can go to history and kind of and see the answers there. So you can download the batch file and we can see the report in Excel spreadsheet with the questions and answers for that. In this case, we selected 3 files, but kind of you can select 10 files, 15 files in a single go and kind of apply the question templates. Also, that question templates may contain, I don't know, 50, 80, 150 questions. Yeah, so kind of for the video, we just selected 10 questions. So we wanted to complete that in a short time. So I will see you again. We will kind of produce more videos about our AI tools, AI solutions. This is kind of software as a service. We encourage you to test it. There's a free trial. Upload your documents, play with it, and kind of let us know what you think. Thank you very much. Bye-bye for now.